If you're a fruit punch lover, this drink is about to make your day. Let's go. Vinegar. Starting off with this big heavy watermelon, we're gonna split it right down in the middle. I order a seeded watermelon, so let's see. Have some seed, right? Them said the white part is where the Viagra is at, so I don't mind leaving it on. Kinda think them tricked me still. Kinda think them tricked me. I'm gonna taste it to see what I'm working with, you know, just to see what I'm working with. At least it's sweet and nice. Watermelon sugar, hi. Watermelon sugar, hi. I like watermelon like these, the dry ones. You see this? You can tell they taste good. Everybody make fruit punch differently. What's one fruit that you think has to be in a good fruit punch? Let me know. And push out the pits like this. Adding 2 lemons. And the good old ginger. Smells so fruity in here. Ooh, give this a good mix. On top. Now it's time to put the cherry on top, literally. One for you. One for me. I'm thirsty as hell. But this drink is so refreshing. It is so fruity. It has that nice punch to it. Very nice drinks when I grab it down, I can tell you. So this is how I make my fruit punch juice. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye guys.